What's up everyone, it's Alrieke here. This year I'm stepping up my game as I learn how to become a machinist. Last time when we were together, I did this lesson 1, which was the easy step. Last time I was having a cold. Now I'm recovering from pneumonia. Last time I did the easy step, which was designing in SOLIDWORKS. I say it's easy because I know how to use SOLIDWORKS already. This week and today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit more intricate, and that is programming the Titan M1 into SOLIDWORKS CAM. I don't have Master CAM, so I'm going to be adjusting what I'll be looking at to actually do it inside of SOLIDWORKS CAM. I have always been in the mechanical design industry, and manufacturing has always been part of that. Although it's always been in the background, I discovered earlier in my career that there is always a communication gap of some sort between the design side and the manufacturing side, and I've always wanted to bridge that gap as much as possible in the work that I've been doing. I do believe that being able to learn how it's actually done will close that somewhat for me, but it will also help me assist our customers better than what I currently do, because then I'll understand both sides. Language and understanding why and when I need to do something. For example, when do I use a rough mill and when do I use a face mill? That is more challenging than I expected, but I guess it comes with the territory in learning something completely new. I am starting to see how making something in a CAD tool can have a large effect on the machining side when it comes to setting up a program. Understanding how to convert my CAD features into machinable features. This is just because I'm learning to understand a brand new process that is not developed from scratch. You are basically working with a block of metal downwards to what you want at the end of the day. So that's my biggest challenge so far. I found it extremely interesting. I had to go fetch my son, so we're back at home. Our thoughts and ideas of what I am learning so far. So
first off, CAD is a lot more complex than I thought it would be. SOLIDWORKS is very straightforward with regards to how you quickly can set things up. I am, however, considering trying to get a license of CAM, see if we can play around with that later in the year. But what I've learned so far is very interesting. I am finding that what makes it difficult for me still is learning the language and learning why we do certain things. It is, however, interesting, and I am excited to say that I'm done with lesson number 2. I've completed the entire lesson. I was able to make a G-code afterwards, run the program, run it through the post-processor. Now I just need to have it checked. So once that is done, I will be doing the next step, which is making the actual component. So thank you for joining, and we will see you in the next video.